Mr. B, are you ready? Let's go.
See fight with Kaba today. Now, whoa. They don't know say we don't know that they fight us day and night. They don't say we don't know say man you bring the rule also. That they disturb this fool. I don't carry like 4 phone now they don't trip off. They try. My people. They don't say that you bring the rule us. Yeah, I'm Germany right and direct. Now they show now the environment waiting government they build for people to live. You understand? This one I wait to be say man, suppose maybe everybody get access to. Before you go build house for Europe, you don't need to do blood money. Before you go buy motor for Europe, you don't need to do blood money. All these houses they there, so if you don't reach 18 years, say you don't work, you reach 18 years. If you want to buy anyone, you come buy. See, and for those of you now where they find green pastures, this one not be green pastures. I don't know see they are tree, they yellow. No green pastures for Europe. If you dey Europe, you dey Nigeria, they think of green pastures for Europe. You know they. You understand? Make your first show now around. I see all these trees, so see brown, green, either be brown, yellow, no green. Even look floor, you will see grass where it dey. All of them are brown, yellow. You understand? See children, they play, they go for street now. You know see all the whole street calm everywhere. You know see it's like village, deep village nowadays. So deep village for Germany. Not be real lie, not be every deep village. I don't even know the name. You see, you know say that village that be this. See as this way they around. See road, see as it clear. All these our Nigeria people, they don't they plan to kill us, Abi. But now I not be the problem. Shall I get a small matter? Me, you move your Russian before they see turn body Facebook again. Make I Russian. Yeah. People on a day, on a good morning, on a good afternoon, on a good evening, happy weekend, happy Sunday. You know, cold day, I day outside. You know, I did Germany. I just dey feel. I beg my people. I get some little bit reason to take talk. Say these people, that true say you bring, I they rule us. Not understand because based on the fact and based on their past doings. So I'll give you now the reasons where we all go follow reason. Now remember, say man, for that country, dead person don't rule us for 5 months, and because of Kaba. They be one keep on like this as they keep this man so. You understand? Now remember, allow them and say they don't tell whether they plan make dead man rule us. They don't tell whether they plan make they carry another person cut a rule us. You understand? You don't tell right from Yar'Adua time. Now they be one do for Yar'Adua time. They don't succeed. They can't do one for Buhari time now. Hey, my people listen. If you are here, if you dey watch me, you dey think say man maybe your voters card they want give you winner to change Nigeria. It a joke. Anybody wey dey contest for Nigeria president now, it a joke. You understand? Let's plan revolution, my friend, because this revolution, if we not do an eye, these people they ready. See, you don't know the danger. If you know the danger, where that they what would they risk with our country? The risk, what would they risk make the day. They manipulate us like this. See, we have to know. Say we have to wake up. You understand? We have to just wake up and we have to start asking that question right now. People don't ignore that thing. That thing is a trap. It's a trap. Nigeria is sitting on the gunpowder with that level, without having another foreign president without our notice. So I don't know whosoever that plan it. I remember I said that time. They say they want to go see Buhari for hospital. I remember I said all this our pastor, they go see him. Adeboye, they go see him. Adeboye don't tell me say man, they don't know what he play for there. They don't know what he happen for there. All this our religion master, all this our religion father, all this our religion daddy. Make we try, make we come see they ask them question again. You understand? I beg that for we to allow this thing they go on say na rumor. Even though na rumor, let's find out the rumor. Every element, every rumor there must be element of truth. That's the fact. Every single allegation, every single rumor, there must be element of truth. So una man not forget that fact. You understand? You are Nigerians, don't forget that fact. See, listen, nothing wey be say man they never try. I dey wonder say some people they go the reason say man maybe we don't know wetin dey happen for that country. Listen, my brother, happy Sunday, my bro. I see you. See, listen, make I tell you if una no start to dey ask this question now, when this thing go set, when the be say Niger go invade our country, when the be say Sudan go invade our country, then we will now wey dey build us for Nigeria, wey dey Europe, so una tire as una no get country again. You understand? So they tell una say they want sell Nigeria, they want change Nigeria, they want sell Nigeria, and say na joke. I bet before they sell am, we will come fight for our kingdom if una not begin dey ask for all this kind of thing. You understand? Because this thing they make me dey wonder say which kind of country we dey. What kind of country is that country? What kind of leader are these leaders? Are they human beings? I don't dey wonder. It don't they take where they want to invade another country during Yar'Adua time. Then they be want to do we Sarah reporter bomb everything come out. Okay, look at this time around now. They tell us now say na Jubrin, I call the Rumi when me vote for Buhari. What's the level? Can't you people think and ask question? Listen, we have to start asking questions here because this thing is not joke and it's not one comedy, it's not coming funny anymore. That country is sitting down on a gunpowder. It can bomb anytime. That country can bomb anytime. If you don't know about it right now. If you work hard here, they work hard for Europe, they work hard for America, they work hard for anywhere. You say you want to go build house, you want to go enrich your country. You are wasting your fucking time because that country is going to be bombed if we don't start asking who is this Jubrin. Because when you see the plan to bring this Jubrin, you will know that these people they don't ready to leave us alone. You understand? Obasanjo, you do well for all those plans wey dey plan, but your time don dey come because his film wan finish. Na so e dey tough. You understand? So Nigerians, please don't neglect this thing. Let's ask who is Jubrin because they are planning this thing. They be planning this thing for long. They plan out during Yar'Adua time. E no work. You understand? Asha Buhari, the women don dey ask you. Tell the ladies who is your husband. Asha Buhari, you are a woman. Because of say we be your children. Just tell us the truth. You understand? I don't say you not be bad person. You get good heart. You understand? Your fellow women like you now don't they ask you question now. Make you tell them who that man be. You understand? Make you quit solve the whole issue. Asha Buhari, because of your children, and because of the children wey be say may they go for street. You understand? Make we try, make we rescue the rest pieces of that country. So that's why I talk and rage. So for those of you now where they think say na PVC, now I give you presidential post for Nigeria. You dey joke, you be comedian. Na this are PVC because now Shadi now don dey rule. So now how many voters can we don come up for Nigeria now go there now. Now how many people don bring come from there now. Normally we wan come vote now we dey don camp. They go don camp millions. So Nigerians, please don't think of PVC and don't think of election. Let's think of revolution, man. Let's think of one day. Let's do a massive protest in Nigeria. Like let's have like 3 million Nigeria, 4 million Nigeria in the street saying this cabal must go. Because if we don't do that, PVC can't take you anywhere, man. If you are a presidential aspirant, if you are a governor aspirant, if you are anything, please change your strategies and start planning for a revolution. Because that is the only way. You understand? There is no way you can tell me say now this PVC wey me see say man country see we are not shaky sha. Please join hands together and plan for revolution. Let's take our country back, Nigerians. You understand? Let's ask them question who is Jubrin and let's plan how to take this country back. Don't think of election. Don't think of election because that election is not election. Please don't think of election. Think of revolution. And don't even pray for we to say, man, let's have a election before revolution. No, we must have a revolution before this election. That's all we have to work for. Because I'm fed up. I can't even believe on PVC anymore. I don't even want my people to go and vote anymore because the vote is going to be waste. You understand? For them to impose another person from another country to us. So the vote these days, they have shown us every sign. Go to Ekiti election, go to Ogun election, go to this election. Every election, they have showed us that we can't do with PVC to get a new brand Nigeria. Only where we can do and get a new brand Nigeria, if you are a good Nigeria Patriot citizen, you have to know this is a revolutionary period. So please prepare your hearts and let's hit the streets. You know, let's have 35 million Nigerians in the streets. Hey, good luck. I see you. So my brothers and sisters, good luck. I did Germany. You come here last night. I around. I also come up for Germany. I just wait now. Make my this thing reach. Make I move. I see you in your normal one of Germany. I sight you from above. Respect in your normal. I see you. Good luck. I see you. So bros, I saw they be. I beg my people. Let me all tell you. I'm your election warriors, my man. I know say for sure PVC e no go work, my brother. So revolution na we need. We need a revolution, total revolution to wipe this nonsense out of this generation. You understand? To wipe them out of this. See, before I go, I want to give you some analysis, the results of little thing when I don't say, man, this is a time for revolution. Now remember, I say after our independence, civilian rule for 20 years. After 20 years, military take over for another 20 years. After 20 years, we chase the military comot, bring in another civilian again, and go bring the bad one. So this is 2019 is 20 years. Let revolution take place in Nigeria for we to have peace and everlasting love and care for each other. Because I know that country we love each other, we care for each other, we help each other. Once we are in Nigeria, that is the only way we have some problem of help. Once we leave Nigeria, we help each other. Anywhere we see ourselves, we help each other, we love each other, and we must join hands together, you know, to make this code day here, to make this heavy revolution 2019. Please, every presidential aspirant, join heads together and plan for a revolution. That is only the way we are going to kick out PDP and APC. You understand? So be happy. I love you guys. We still love Nigeria. It's still our country. You know, we still dey gidigba. We still dey wait for the bomb. We still dey wait for the bomb. But there's a store where you see, you know, if you blind your eye. You understand? That's me, your boy, AD Wise. I love you guys, man. Love you, my fans. SCM, be ready. I'll be in SCM on the 1st. SCM on the 1st. Be ready, my people. I'll be there live with our song live. DJ Boogie T. Presented that for all Europe artists. So it's live and direct. I'll be there SCM. So thank you very much, my people. Let's ask who is Jobrin and plan for a better big revolution. That's why ADY say I love Nigeria, my country. I love my people. I love my Edo State. I love my Edo State people. That's one love to my people. See you there. Happy Sunday to you. Enjoy the rest days of your Sunday. God bless you all. So enjoy the rest days of your Sunday. God bless you all. Thank you.